Hey there, fellow business enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of ERP and SAP. If you've ever wondered how these two terms relate, buckle up because we're about to uncover the secrets behind their differences and synergies. Understanding ERP and SAP is like having a backstage pass to streamlining operations and making better business decisions. So let's jump right in. All right, let's break it down. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, systems are the superheroes of business. They swoop in and save the day by managing, integrating, and automating various processes. Picture it like this. ERP systems are the foundation, the backbone of a well-oiled machine that keeps businesses running smoothly. Now, let's talk about SAP. It's like the rock star of ERP providers. SAP, short for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing, is a German multinational software corporation that offers a range of software solutions, including ERP systems. They've been in the game since 1972 and have become one of the biggest names in the ERP world. Think of SAP as the Mick Jagger of ERP. They know how to put on a show. SAP ERP, their flagship product, is a powerhouse. It's got all the bells and whistles you could dream of to make your business sing. SAP ERP comes with comprehensive modules that cover various business processes tailored to specific industries. Whether you're in automotive, retail, or healthcare, SAP has got you covered. Plus, their global presence and support mean they're ready to rock on any stage. Now let's talk about tech. SAP's technology infrastructure is rock solid. You can count on them to provide a stable and secure platform for your business. And here's the best part. They play well with others. SAP ERP can integrate with other SAP products and third-party applications, creating a symphony of data exchange and process automation. It's like having a superstar collaboration on your hands. All right, here's the juicy part. ERP and SAP may seem like two peas in a pod, but they've got some important differences. ERP is the category of software systems, while SAP is a specific brand and provider of ERP solutions. It's like comparing the ocean to a wave. One is vast and encompassing, while the other is a magnificent force within it. Now, here's the thing. SAP's ERP solutions have a reputation for being comprehensive, industry-specific, and globally supported. They're like the headliners at a music festival, attracting huge crowds. But remember, there are other ERP vendors out there, each with their own unique features, capabilities, and pricing structures. It's like choosing between different genres of music. There's something for everyone. Let's talk about investment. Implementing SAP ERP might require a bit more of a financial commitment compared to some other ERP systems. It's like going big with a full-blown production, lights and all. But don't worry, smaller and medium-sized businesses can still find alternative ERP solutions that are cost-effective and easier to implement. It's like discovering an up-and-coming band that rocks your world without breaking the bank. So how do you choose the perfect ERP solution for your business? Well, let me tell you, the world of ERP and SAP is an ever-evolving adventure. We've got AI-powered decision-making, mobile capabilities, and cloud-based solutions shaking things up. SAP is at the forefront, dedicated to developing and improving their offerings, so you can be confident your investment is future-proof. When implementing an ERP system, having a solid plan and a reliable partner is crucial. Set clear objectives, communicate effectively, and invest in change management. It's like building a stage for a mind-blowing concert. Every element needs to be in harmony. Cloud-based ERP systems, like those offered by SAP, bring some sweet benefits to the table. Reduced infrastructure costs and easy scalability make it feel like a magic wand waved over your business, making things simpler and more flexible. Now let's talk about the rock stars of technology: artificial intelligence and mobile access. AI is transforming the ERP and SAP landscape by automating processes and boosting decision-making capabilities. And with mobile capabilities and applications provided by SAP, you can rock your business from anywhere, anytime. It's like having a concert in the palm of your hand. Remember, customization is key. SAP's modular architecture allows you to tailor your ERP system to your specific business needs. It's like creating a playlist that perfectly matches your vibe. And speaking of playlists, keep in mind the total cost of ownership when implementing ERP and SAP solutions. Consider licensing, maintenance, and potential hidden expenses. You don't want any sour notes in your symphony. Invest in training and ongoing support to ensure a successful implementation. SAP offers various resources and training programs to help you build an internal dream team of experts. And remember, it's all about the performance. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, monitor performance data, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your system. It's like conducting an orchestra of success. Now let's face the challenges head-on. Learn from real-life case studies and experiences to identify potential obstacles and devise effective solutions. ERP and SAP can also contribute to eco-friendly business practices by reducing waste and resource consumption. SAP even offers sustainability initiatives and solutions. It's like joining a movement of positive change. In conclusion, ERP solutions are the key to streamlining your business operations, and SAP is the rockstar provider in this space. The right ERP system can transform your business and lead you to success. So don't hesitate, my friends. Explore the exciting world of ERP and SAP and embrace their power for your organization. It's time to turn up the volume and rock your business like never before.